Lesson 11. Will question form. We put the auxiliary will before the subject. Example. Will you play with us? We have here the auxiliary will, then the subject, the verb, and the complement with the question mark at the end. Then, will in the negative form. We have the negative form will, which is will not, or the contraction won't. Examples. I will not play with you without the contraction. And the other example, he won't study for the test. We use the contraction. Lesson 13, past perfect. The past perfect is formed with the auxiliary had and the past participle. Example, I had visited my mom. Here we have the subject, then the past tense using had, the past participle visited, and the complement my mom. Lesson 13, past perfect negative. We're going to work with the past perfect negative with the subject, then the had, not in negative, past participle, the verb, and the complement. Example, he had not finished the test. We have here the subject, had in past, the negative not, the participle finished, and the complement, the test.
Okay, lesson 15. This lesson we're going to see can and could. The use of can and could. For example, can express an ability in present tense. For example, I can practice soccer, I can speak English, I can walk. And could is the past tense of can. It's the past form of can. Ability that someone had in the past. When you talk about a past tense but using can, you use could. For example, she could speak Spanish, she could play soccer. May and might, lesson 15. Here we're going to see the difference between may and might. Let's start with may. May is used to express a higher possibility with sense of future, talking about something or someone. For example, it might rain today. That's possible that it rains today because it's cloudy, thunders, etc. Or when we talk about permissions, may I help you? May I go to the bathroom? May I come in? When we want to have the permission from other person. Okay? Might express a smaller possibility. For example, I might go to a party. You don't know if you're going, but there's a small possibility that you go to that party. He might bring you a gift. You're not sure that he's bringing you a gift, but maybe he brings you a gift.